like someone has put a little template on here and done a little bit of burning. It's a plywood top, and the top layer has cracked significantly. But it's missing one furl. The brand is Raven. If you look at this here, you can see how badly this is canted in. There's a significant valley here. It's dropped in. That is going to be, at least in part, due to the fact that that is pulled right away, and the one behind it as well. So those need to be fixed. The underside of this looks like a mahogany lawn type of a plywood. So to fix this brace, I'm going to use a little laboratory jack stand. This thing here expands out. If you buy one of these, make sure you get the 3.5, not the 4, because as you can see, this one just barely fits into the sound hole. The 4 does not. Ask me how I know. And there are some wood around the side of these things along the back to support it, and then I can just turn the crank here and raise it up like this, and push the caul and the braces into place. After I glue them, I'll glue them with hot high glue, but as you see, I can't get the glue into here, so I will use a syringe full of high glue to get into the brace, and then I'll use my little tool to spread the glue inside underneath the braces to get them fairly well covered, and then go in with the with this clamp. So it'll go in there like that. That one is 2. There's 1 tight. And the far one is as well.